Example 181.9. Rank the following set of points scored by the winning team in each of the last 10 Super Bowls. So we have a list of points here for the games, and these are the point totals for the winning team among the teams that played in the Super Bowl for the last 10 Super Bowls. So to rank them, all you want to do is put the numbers in numerical order from smallest to largest, and then apply the corresponding ranks. So we can literally do that by just going down the list and putting them in order. So for example, we'd say 17, that's early. Is there anything before 17? I don't think so. So then after that, anything else in the teens? I don't see anything in the teens. So let's go in the 20s then. 20 isn't there, but 21 is there. So we'll have, looks like 21. It looks like we have 21 twice, right? So 21, 21. And from there, we might look for the next largest number. The next largest number is 24. So put down 24. Then we go on to see if there's anything higher than 24, like 25. I don't see that. 26, no. 27 is there, however, though. So we put a 27 down. And then we'll see if there's 28. Nope, no 28s. How about 29? No 20. 129, actually. Almost skipped that one. 29. And then we go for 30. There's no 30, but there are two 31s, it looks like. And then finally, we look for 32, and we find one of those. And then finally, anything higher than 32, it looks like just the 48. All right, now I'm going to count them to see if I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is one way to rank the data. Just rewrite them in numerical order. Or if you had like an Excel spreadsheet, you could type them into Excel and sort them that way. And once you have them all sorted, then literally the ranks just simply become, numbering them down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. However, we want to identify any ties that would have occurred. So when I look at 21, I say, oh, those are tied. So these two ranks aren't going to stay. Any other ties? Well, there's 31. Those ranks are not going to stay as they are. So what we're going to do for those ranks is we're going to go ahead and average them. So what I mean by average them is we will literally, because they're tied, we don't want to give one a higher rank than another. Why should this 21 get 3 and this 21 only get 2? So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to say, hey, take these two and call it 2 plus 3, which of course is 5, and then we'll divide by 2. We're going to end up with 2.5 if you do that. And we'll do the same for this one. And you can figure out that, of course, it's going to be 7.5, right? So it'll be 7.5, right? So the idea of averaging is what you have to do. You may say, well, don't I just do 2.5 and then 7.5, so pick the number right in the middle of them? Yeah, that's the idea. Of course, if there were 3 ties, then you would take the number in the middle, the rank in the middle between the 3 ranks that you gave the 3 ties, so on and so forth. But basically, it always works out to be an average. So if you average the ranks that you gave out, you will have the corresponding numbers. Okay, so the final list of ranks will be as follows. I'm going to put them right next door to here. So I'm just going to say, hey, the rank here would be 1. For this guy, it would be 2.5, and then 2.5, and then it goes to 4, 5, 6. These two each get 7.5, so it'll be 7.5 and 7.5, and then 9, and then 10. And that's it. Those are the ranks for the scores for the Super Bowl winning totals.